Today I'm going to be teaching you about transformations. So there are four types of transformations. We have the translation or the slide, reflection or the flip, dilation or making something bigger or smaller, rotation or turn. First one I'm going to be teaching about is translation. So first we're going to have our shape, which is ABC. It's a triangle. And then we're going to have our direction, which is 9 units to the right and 2 units down. So what we're going to do, we're going to get these points, and we're just going to move it 9 units to the right and 2 units down. So we're going to get B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2. So now our new point is going to be called B prime. Every time you do any transformation, the second figure that you make is going to be the prime, and this one is going to be called the pre-image. So now this point is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 5 is B prime. So now we're going to do A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2. So this is going to be our A prime, and the point is going to be 0, 6. Now we're going to do our C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2. So our new point for C is going to be the origin, or 0, 0. And then we simply connect the points, and there's your new shape. So now we can check translations off our list. Next one we're going to be doing is the flip. So what we're going to do over here, we're going to get our point B, and we're going to do flip it over the y-axis, then we're going to flip it over the x-axis. So first, we're going to see that B is 4 points away from the y-axis. So now we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 to get it to the other side. Now another way you can do this, we're going to do this with A, is going to be multiplying the x point by -1. So -9 times -1 is 9. So now our new point is going to be 9, 8. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 8 is our new point. And that's going to be A prime, and this is going to be B prime with a point of 4, 1, 2, 3, 7. Alright, so now we're going to do C. So we multiply -9 by -1, which is 9. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2. So this is our new C prime. And that's going to be 9, 2. And then we connect our points. And now we have successfully reflected a figure over the y-axis. So now what we're going to do is we're going to reflect it over the x-axis. So now we do the same thing, pretty much, except now we're going to multiply this side by -2. So, -1. So 2 times -1 is -2, so we're going to say 9, which is right here, -2. So this is going to be our C double prime. Now this is our original figure, this is going to be our prime, this is going to be our double prime. If you reflected it one more time, it would be a triple prime, and there would be 3 marks. So now there's 2 marks right here, and our point is going to be 9, -2. So now we're going to do the same thing with A prime, and so we're going to multiply this by -1, so that's going to be 9, -8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is going to be our A double prime with point 9, -8. Then we're going to do B, and I'm going to do it the original way we did it, so I'm just going to count that this is 7 away from the x-axis. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then we have successfully rotated a figure, or reflected a figure over the y-axis and the x-axis. So now we can check reflections off our list, and the next one we're going to be doing is dilation. So we have our points right here. We have quadrilateral A, B, C, D. So now we're going to make this figure 2 times bigger. So what we're going to do is we're just going to multiply all the points by 2. So 2, 4, if we multiply that by 2, it's going to be 4, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, wait, no, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is going to be our A prime, and that's going to be at 4, 8. So now we're going to do B. So this is going to be 6, -8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, negative 8. And this is going to be B prime. All right, so now we're going to do C, which is going to be negative 8, negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8, or negative 8, negative 6. And that's going to be C prime. Now we're going to do D. So this is going to be negative 6, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have D, negative 6, 10. And if we just fill in these lines, we have our new quadrilateral, which is going to be A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. All right, so next what we're going to do is we're going to make this figure half of its size. So what we're going to do, simply divide it by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. 3, negative 4 divided by 2 is going to be 1.5, negative 2. So 1.5, negative 2. And then we have point C, negative 4, negative 3. That's going to be negative 2, negative 1.5. So 1, 2, 1.5. And then we have D, which is negative 3, 5, which is going to be negative 1.5, negative 2.5. Or negative 1.5, 2.5. 1.5, 2.5. And then we have our new shape, which is going to be A double prime, B double prime, C double prime, and D double prime. Now we can check off dilation from our list, and now we're going to work on rotation. So there is this formula right here that can help you with any rotations or the turn. So now we have 90 degrees clockwise or 270 degrees counterclockwise, because if you think about it, flipping it 90 degrees clockwise is the same as flipping it 270 degrees counterclockwise. So what formula we have for that is going to be x, y into y negative x. So we have A right here, and that's going to be 3, 5. And now we're going to flip these and make the y, which is now the x, negative. So we flip them, it's 5, 3. And then the 3 will be negative. So it's going to be 5, negative 3. Wait, let me just write this out. So then it's going to be 5, 3, because you flip them, and then you make this one negative. So your new is 5, negative 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3 is going to be your A prime. Then your B prime, you flip them and make the one to the right, or the y coordinate, negative. So it's 4, 6, 4, negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is going to be your B prime. And then we have 7, 3, so it's going to be 3, negative 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we have our D, 4, 1, which is going to be 1, negative 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have our new rotated shape. And now what we're going to do is we're going to rotate this original shape 180 degrees counterclockwise or clockwise. They are going to be the same thing no matter what. Because if you flip it this direction or this direction, it still ends out to be the same thing. So we get our x and y of this shape, and then we flip them, or no, we don't flip them, we just make them negative. So 3, 5 is going to be negative 3, negative 5. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is going to be our A double prime. And then we have B, so we just make them negative, negative 6, negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 is going to be our B double prime. Then we have C, 7, 3. It's going to be negative 7, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3 is going to be our C double prime. And then we have D, which is going to be negative 4, negative 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then that's going to be our D double prime. And now we have rotated this shape 180 degrees clockwise or counterclockwise. And then now we're going to do 270 degrees clockwise or 90 degrees counterclockwise. So that's going to be, you're going to flip them and make the y coordinate negative. So you flip these, which is 5, 3, and then you make the 5 negative. So it would be 5, 3, and then you make the first one negative, which is now your x coordinate. So now negative 5, 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3 is your new A triple prime. And then you have B, so you flip them, make the first one negative, so it's negative 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is your B triple prime. And then you have C, so it's going to be negative 3, 7. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's going to be your C triple prime. And then we have D, flip them, make the first one negative, negative 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have successfully flipped this figure 4 times, or 3 times. Thank you.